Mr. Kehana did not work much. He spent almost all his time in reading, reading, reading. He was seldom seen without a book in his hand. When the weather was fine, he would sit in his little library or under the apple trees in his garden and read all day. He often forgot to come to his meals. He was so wrapped up in his books that he forgot his horse, his dog, and read all night. Now, here, children, we see that Mr. Kehana was a man who made his neighbors amused and his friends distressed, isn't it? He was a gentleman of odd ways with strange things. His neighbors only knew that he was called as Mr. Kehana, but others did not know, those who lived out of his village. He was a person of a gentle and kind, and he was very brave. And all those who knew him, they loved him. And he was more than 50 years of old. He was thin, his face was thin, his nose was long, his hair was turning from black to grey. So this is what we saw in our last video. Now today we are going to see that Mr. Kehana used to not work much. Now, your fathers, your grandfathers, okay, let us take your grandfather, because Kehana was an old man, isn't it? Is an old man. So let us talk about your grandfather. Now, your grandfathers, do they work at home? Yes. They may not work like your fathers, like your brothers, like your uncles, but they work somewhat, okay, little bit, little work they do. They may uh, bring you to school, take you back from school, or they may take you out to some shop, isn't it? They may at least water the plants. Some little works your grandfathers would be doing at your home. This Kehana was like that. He used to not even work. He used to not work that much also. He used to work very little. Why do you know? Because he spent almost all his time in reading. Whenever he gets time, like from it's this line tells us that the whole day also, whole night and whole day, he keeps on reading. From the time he gets up, he just opens a book and starts reading. He liked to read and only to read. He don't like to do any other work. He was seldom seen without a book in his hand. So this line tells us the word seldom means rarely. R-A-R-L-E-Y, rarely. Now what do you mean by seldom and what do you mean by rarely? Both the words have same meaning, that is very few time or very less time, some time only. Sila neram. We say no, sila neram in Tamil, that is seldom. So he was seldom seen without a book in his hand. So when can you find him without a book in his hand? Sometimes only. Sometimes only he will be without the book, but all the other times he will have book in his hand. Now, when the weather was fine, he would sit in his little library. So, what do you mean by weather was fine? That means if the season is not too hot. Now, see, From some days, our area is full of hot morning. Even at 8, 9, 9, 10 o'clock and all, you will find it is so hot. You just cannot walk outside, isn't it? It's very hot. So that kind of thing is called weather. Sometimes it is very cool, even if it is hot, you feel cool, you feel fine. You feel that you can just go and sit outside. Sometimes it is cloudy, that also makes you feel happy. So like that. So when the weather was fine, when the weather was in such a good way that you can sit outside and enjoy, that time he would sit in his little library. He would sit in his little library. So that why in the library? If it was too hot, you cannot sit inside the room. If it is okay, not too hot, not too cold, it was fine. That means pleasant. That time you can sit in your library in a room and you can do anything you want, isn't it? Sometimes when it is hot, even if you switch on the fan will be just moving, but you won't feel the air, isn't it? Why? Because the weather is too hot. But if the weather is fine, if the fan is on, you will feel the air. Do you understand now the meaning? So, when the weather was fine, he used to sit in his little library and read the book. Otherwise, he used to go and sit under the apple trees in his garden. He had a garden where there were many apple trees. So he used to go there and sit. So there also it was shadow. Under the tree means you have shadow. You have good air also. And the area was open, so it would be pleasant for him. So he used to go there and read the books all day. See, I told you, all day. All day means from morning till night. Now, the next line says, he often forgot to come to his meals. Now, what do you mean by meals? Meals means food. Okay. Often means, what is the meaning of often? He often, O-F-T-E-N, often. What do you mean by often? Often means always, almost, almost. Adikadi, in Tamil we say adikadi or perumbalum. Perumbalum. Perumbalum ava vandu சாப்பிட மாட்டா. You say that? That is often. That means this Kihana used to not have his food often. That means most of the time. Most of the time he used to forget to go and have his meal. அநேக நேரம் அவர் போய் சாப்பிடுறதே மறந்தே போயிடுவாராம். Now do you understand? Okay. Now he was so wrapped up in his books that he forgot his horse, his dog and read all night. Now hear the word wrapped. What do you mean by wrapped? You all know chocolates, isn't it? How the chocolate is placed in the box? The chocolate is wrapped in a paper. Now do you understand the meaning of wrapped? Podindu. Wrapped means podindu. Okay? So the chocolate is wrapped in a paper. So when you buy a chocolate, you open the wrapper, you take the chocolate from it and put it in your mouth, isn't it? Okay. So he was so wrapped up in his books. That means புக்குக்குள்ள பொதிந்து அவன் உட்காரல. It means அந்த புக்குக்குள்ள அவனுக்கு அவ்வளோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட், அவனை அந்த புக்குக்குள்ளேயே ஆக்கிடுவான். அதாவது அந்த புக்கு மட்டும்தான் தெரியும், அக்கம் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறது எதுவுமே தெரியாது, எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. He will forget everything. அதாவது chocolate, when the chocolate is inside a paper, what happens? Can the chocolate see anything outside? No, it will be inside only. If you are locked inside the door, can you see anything outside the room? No. So in the same way, he was only in his books. What is written in the books, that was the only thing he know. Other than the books, he used to never bother what is outside the book. புக்கை தவிர, புக்குக்குள்ளே இருக்கிறது தவிர வெளியே என்னது இருக்குன்னு அவர் என்ன செய்ய மாட்டாராம், கவனிக்கவே மாட்டாராம். ஏன்னா அவரை புக்குக்குள்ளே பொதிஞ்சு வச்ச மாதிரி அவர் என்ன செய்வாராம், எந்த நேரமும் புக்கே வாசித்துட்டு இருப்பாராம். Now do you understand? In his books, அந்த அளவுக்கு இருந்தான். எப்படி இருந்தாரு, முட்டாயை எப்படி பொதிஞ்சு வைப்போம் அந்த அளவுக்கு பொதிஞ்சு வச்ச மாதிரி இருப்பாராம். That means அவர் என்னெல்லாம் மறந்துருக்கான்னு பாருங்க. அப்படி இருக்க போய் he forgot his horse. He forgot his horse. He had a horse, his pet horse. He forgot his pet dog, and he would just read even all the night. அப்போ எந்த அளவுக்கு புக்கை நேசித்திருக்காரு பாருங்க. நம்ம வீட்டில் ஒரு குதிரை இருக்குது, நம்ம ஒரு குதிரையை வளர்க்குறோம், ஒரு நாயை வளர்க்குறோம், அதுக்கு சாப்பாடு போடணும், அதை வெளியே கொண்டு போகணும், அதுகிட்ட பேசணும், குளிப்பாட்டணும், பராமரிக்கணுங்கிற இந்த நினப்பு கூட இல்லை. தனக்கு பசிங்கிறது கூட இல்லாமல் அந்த அளவுக்கு புக்குக்குள்ளே அவர் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டாக படிப்பார். அந்த அளவுக்கு புக்கு மட்டும் தான் தெரியுது, வேறு எதுவுமே தெரியாது. ரவ்வும் பகலும் என்னச்சு வரான் புக்கே வாசிச்சிருப்பான். அந்த அளவுக்கு அவருக்கு ரீடிங் பிடிக்கும். He liked reading so much and he used to not work much but only keep reading and reading. Are you people like that? Do you like reading? If your parents say, come on, take your book, start studying, you feel, போங்கம்மா, isn't it? No, you must have some hobby. How many of you have a hobby? Ki Hannah has a good hobby of reading books. When you read books, you get lots of knowledge. You come to know lots of meanings. Okay, see now the meaning of brat is not only for chocolates. We can use for this also. Do you understand now? Like this, you will come to know many new meanings, many new words, which will help you. And it will also give you good knowledge. Okay, so all of you have a good hobby and start reading books. Okay, children. Now next, let's see what happened. Now, what kind of books do you suppose he read? He read no histories nor books of travel. He cared nothing for poetry or philosophy. His whole mind was given to stories of knights and their daring deeds. He read so many of these stories that he could not think of anything else. His head was full of knights and knightly deeds, of magic and witchcraft, of tournaments and battlefields. Now here the first line tells us, now what kind of books do you suppose he read? So the writer is asking us, what do you think? That what kind of book he was reading? Okay, he's asking us, the one who wrote the story is asking you and me, that we came to know that his hobby was to read books. So what kind of books he would be reading? Can anyone tell me what kind of books would Ki Hannah would be reading? Some people like to read, I give you example, like some people likes to read comics, some people likes to read cartoons, some people likes to read comedy, some people likes to read crime, some people likes to read terror, some people likes to read fight, some people likes to read suspense, no? Like that. What kind of book did Ki Hannah like to read? Can anyone of you tell me? We would guessing, no? One or the other, that or this. But here he says that he read nor histories nor books of travel. Neither did he read book of histories. What is history? History means a life story of some person who is not there, the past. History means story of past. It may be of a person, of an animal, of a thing, of anything, but which happened in the past. முடிந்த காலத்தில் நடந்த சம்பவங்கள் காரியங்கள் குறித்து சொல்றது தான் history. Okay, so he did not like to read history. Neither did he read books of travel. how to travel, where to travel, in which place. If you go to this place, it is cool or like that. அந்த மாதிரி travel பத்தி கூட என்ன செய்ய மாட்டாராம், புக்கை வாசிக்க மாட்டார். Then about what? He cared nothing for poetry or philosophy. He did not had interest in poetry, and he did not had interest in philosophy also. Philosophy, தத்துவங்கள். His whole mind was given to stories. He only liked stories. He only liked stories. And what kind of stories? Stories of knights. Knights. What do you mean by knights? This K is silent over here. What do you mean by knights? Knights, I'll tell you, and their daring deeds. He only liked to read about knights and their daring deeds. So what do you mean by daring deeds? Daring na துணிச்சல், துணிந்து செய்கிறது. Deedsனா காரியங்கள், துணிந்து செய்கிற காரியங்கள். Okay, he liked only knights stories, and he liked the daring deeds, துணிச்சலா செய்கிற காரியங்கள். knights மார்கள் துணிச்சலா செய்கிற காரியங்கள் அவருக்கு ரொம்ப பிடித்திருந்தது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி கதையை தான் என்ன செய்வார், அவர் வாசிப்பார். ஓகே, so now the meaning of knights is they are a warrior who were given the rank of noblemen in the medieval period of history. Okay, during the period of history, that means medieval period. What do you mean by medieval period? Middle age. Okay, during the middle age, knights were there. Nowadays there are no knights. Okay, because those time the kings were ruling the countries, so they had knights. They were warrior na yaru, yutta veerar. Warriors, yutta veerar. Okay, who were given the rank of nobleman. They were called as a nobleman. Nobleman na enna, நல்ல மனிதர்கள், நன்மை செய்கிற மனிதர்கள். Okay, nobleman. They are knights. ஒரு சில யுத்த வீரர்களை என்ன செய்வாங்களாம், நீ ஒரு நல்ல மனிதன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்களை என்ன செய்வாங்களாம், வச்சிருப்பாங்க. அவங்க தான் knights. ஆனால் அவங்களும் போராடுவாங்க. ஸோ he used to like to read their stories and their daring work. தைரியமாக துணிச்சலாக எந்த காரியத்துக்கும் இறங்க, உயிர் போனாலும் பரவாயில்ல செய்வோன்ட்டு போகிறவங்க அந்த மாதிரி. லைக் தட் they were daring people. So he read so many of these stories that he could not think of anything else. He read so many stories of knights and their deeds that he could not think of anything else. That means, see, for example, if once you see a cartoon that you people see, what is cartoon? Bomma padam. That is what you people call. Actually, it is called cartoons. Okay, so if you see one cartoon, the next day you feel you want to see it again. If we say don't see, you won't like it, isn't it? I want to see, I will miss it. The next day again you want to see. Then again, if they put 2 hours episode, you will see for 2 hours. Whole day you will sit there and see for 2 hours. Will you go out for even to play with your friends? No. Even if your mother is asking to come and eat, will you eat? No. Keep there. I will eat. I will. And the plate will be there like that. Isn't it? So in the same way, he used to like to read storybooks with that interest. And what he used to do, that other than that stories, he cannot think anything else. உன் தெரியுமா, டோரா புச்சியில் அவன் இன்னைக்கு அங்கே போனான், அது எப்படி தாண்டா, முதல்ல எப்படி, keep on saying that. You people keep on talking that to your friends if you like something. So he also used to think that only. எந்த நேரமும் அதை குறித்து தான் யோசித்துட்டே இருப்பான். அந்த அளவுக்கு அந்த புக்குக்குள்ளே முங்கி இருக்கிறதுனால அதுதான் யோசனையாக இருக்குமா, வேற எந்த யோசனையும் வராதான். He could not think of anything else. திங்க்னா யோசிக்க, anything elseனா வேற எதையும் குறித்து யோசிக்கவே முடியாதான். He did not think at all. His head was full of knights and knightly deeds. So he was completely of what? அவருடைய மூளையில் மண்டையில் ஃபுல்லாக என்னதான் இருந்துச்சான், நைட்ஸ் அண்ட் நைட்லி டீட்ஸ். நைட்மார்களும் அவர்களுடைய செயல்களும் மாத்திரம்தான் இருந்துச்சான். ஆஃப் மேஜிக் அண்ட் விச் கிராஃப்ட். வேற என்னதுலாம் இருந்துச்சு? மேஜிக் மந்திரமும், அண்ட் விச் கிராஃப்ட். விச் கிராஃப்ட் என்னது? சூனியக்காரி அந்த சூனியம் செய்கிற காரியங்கள், witchcraft of tournaments and battlefields. எதுக்குள்ள magic and witchcraft? Tournaments and battlefields. What is tournaments? Those days they used to have like we have tournaments, cricket tournament, football tournament and all. They also used to have, okay, in the kingdom with soldiers and with the kingdom people and all. So he used to think of the magic and witchcraft of the tournaments and the battlefields. யுத்த காலத்தில் எப்படி நம்ம ஒரு மேஜிக் செய்யலாம், மேஜிக் செஞ்சு எப்படி நம்ம ஜெயிக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா எப்படி இவங்களை ஏமாற்றி இவங்களை தோக்கடிக்கலாம், எப்படி எப்படி அவங்க விச்கிராஃப்ட் என்னது விச்கிராஃப்ட்? வாட் இஸ் விச்கிராஃப்ட்? இட் இஸ் டு மேக் அ மேன் ஃபூல். ஒரு மனிதனை முட்டாளாக்குறது தான் விச்கிராஃப்ட், இஸ்ன்ட் இட்? ஸோ வாட் அதாவது எப்படி ஒருத்தனை ஏமாற்றி நம்ம ஜெயிக்க முடியும் எங்கள் யுத்த காலத்தில், டோர்னமெண்ட்லேயும் ஒரு காம்படிஷன்லையும் எப்படி மற்றவங்களை ஏமாற்றி நம்ம ஜெயிக்க முடியும். ஸோ லைக் தீஸ் ஏன்னா அதுதான் நைட்ஸோட வேலை. ஸோ தீஸ் வர் த திங்ஸ் தட் ஹீ யூஸ் டு கீப் ஆன் திங்கிங். ஒன்லி திஸ் திங் வாஸ் தேர் இன் ஹிஸ் மைண்ட். I know nowadays you people always think about your Bomma Padam cartoon, isn't it? Now children, stop thinking about your cartoons. You people are grown up now. You are studying in 5th standard. Now you have to take care of your studies, of your own bodies, of your own self and of your parents. So start thinking of good habits and good behaviors and start building up your own personalities. Okay children? Come on. Let's go to the next paragraph. At length of this old-fashioned gentleman said to himself, "Why should I always be a plain farmer and sit here at home? Why may I not become a famous knight?" The more he thought about this matter, the more he wished to be a hero like those whom he had heard in his books. So, now this Kihana used to think after some time, like it was his habit of reading, and as it was going by, after some days passed, he used to think and used to tell himself that why should I always be a plain farmer? Why should I be just a farmer? Plain farmer? Just a farmer. Plain means just, simply. வெறும் ஒரு விவசாயியை நம்ம எதுக்கு இருக்கணும்? சும்மா ஒரு விவசாயியை எதுக்கு இருக்கணும்? நம்ம அப்படி சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? That word is called plain, just. Okay. So why should I just be a farmer and sit here at home? So now see, what does a farmer do? In the morning he goes, he just plows or sows or just harvest or do other things. But most of the time they are just free sitting and guarding their field, isn't it? So why should I just sit at home just by simply being a farmer? And those days farms and all were almost near the house. In Spain, like outer countries, abroad and all, they have their own garden where they have their own fields. Like in their own garden they plant fruits, vegetables, trees, plants and everything just next to their house. So almost they used to be at home and doing this kind of work. So that's why he's saying, why I should be just a farmer and sit at home? Why may I not become a famous knight? Why should not I become someone famous, and that too a knight, because I like the character of knight. See, now if you like someone, you think, oh, when I grow big I will become like that person. I will become a teacher, I will become a doctor, and I will become like my maths teacher or my English teacher or my Hindi teacher. We say like that, isn't it? Why? Because we like that person very much. Or no, I want to be like my father, I want to be like my mother. You have that dreams. So this fellow liked knights. So he said that why can't I become a famous knight? If I sit at home, I cannot be famous. See, if you people are sitting at home, will the whole world know about you? No. Sachin Tendulkar started playing cricket. He became famous. The whole world knows who is Sachin Tendulkar. If he would have not played cricket, would he have been become someone famous? No. In the same way, TV actors, everyone. So when we do something different, when we do something which is known to the world, we become famous. So he wanted to be famous and a famous knight because he liked knights. Now, the more he thought about this matter, the more he wished to be a hero like those of whom he had read in his books. Now, this fellow started to think more and more and more about being a famous knight. I want to be a famous knight. எந்திக்கும்போது தூங்கும்போது உட்காரும்போது எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் அதை யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்க what happened? He wished, he wanted to be a hero. எப்படி ஆகணும்ட்டு ஆசைப்பட்டாரா? ஒரு ஹீரோவா ஆகணும். எந்த ஹீரோவா ஆகணும்ட்டு ஆசைப்பட்டாரா? அவர் வாசித்த புக்ஸில் இருந்த சூப்பரான பெஸ்ட் நைட்ஸ், எந்த நைட்ஸுடைய புக் வாசித்தாரோ அந்த நைட்டை மாதிரியே ஒரு ஹீரோவான நைட்டை மாதிரியே நான் இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லி ஆசைப்பட்டாராம். The knights about whom he used to read in the books, he just wanted to be like him. This was his wish. He wanted that. Now, we also wish, isn't it, children? We also have lots of wishes that I want to do like this, I want to do like that. If I become a doctor, I will have a big hospital where all the facilities will be there. There will be a good canteen. In our village, in the hospital, the food is not good. But when I have my hospital, I will give the best food. Like that we think, மற்ற காரியங்களை பார்த்து இது நல்லா இல்லை, அப்போ நான் செய்யும்போது இப்படி செய்வேன், அப்படி செய்வேன்ட்டு பல காரியங்களையும் யோசிப்போம் இல்லையா? அதே போல் இவர் யோசித்தாராம். இப்போ நீங்கள் அப்படி வாட் யூ பீப்புள் ஆர் திங்கிங் லைக் தேட்? You people must think about your future. How I must be. Should I be a fighting neighbor? Should I be a good and loving child? Or should I be a good person, a kind person? Whom do people love? A person who is love and kind, people love them only, isn't it? If you won't be loving, if you won't be kind, if you won't care for others, if you get angry, if you always fight, will people love you? They will not. If you want to become famous in your own village, in your own house, how you have to be? You have to be patient. Patience na பொறுமையா இருக்கணும். Humble na தாழ்மையா இருக்கணும். You have to be loving, அன்பா இருக்கணும். You have to be kind, இரக்கமா இருக்கணும். You have to be caring. Caringனா அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு கவனிக்கிறவங்களா இருக்கணும். Do you understand? You have to be responsibility, பொறுப்பா இருக்கணும். If we have these characters with us, we will be famous in our house, in our family, in our neighborhood, in our village, and wherever we go, there we will be famous. Do you understand? நம்ம ஃபேமஸ் ஆகணும்னா இதான், இந்த குணம் அவ்வளோ நம்மகிட்ட இருக்கணும். இருக்கும்போது வீட்டில், குடும்பத்தில், அக்கம் பக்கத்தில், கிராமத்தில் நம்ம எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் போகிறோமோ அந்த இடமெல்லாம் நம்ம ஃபேமஸாக இருப்போம். ஸ்கூல் போனால் ஸ்கூல், காலேஜ் போனால் காலேஜ், வேலைக்கு போனால் வேலைக்கு, wherever you go, you will be famous over there. So my children, from now onwards, start thinking about how to become famous in your own house first. So obey your parents and be a good children. Now let's go to the next paragraph. Yes, I will be a knight, he said to himself. My mind is full made up. I will army myself in a coat of mail. I will mount my noble steed. I will ride out into the world to seek adventures. Now, this Kihana, he just decides, thinks that I will become a knight, a famous knight. And then he makes a firm decision, firm urudiyana. He makes a firm decision saying that he will become a knight. My mind is full made up. That means completely ஒரு முடிவு, complete முடிவு. What is it? That இதை தவிர என் மண்டையில் மூளையில் வேற ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, இதுதான் நான் ஆகுவேன். நான் என்னுடைய டிசிஷனை I will not change. I will not change my decision. I will army myself in a coat of mail. The meaning of coat of mail is, can you see the coats over here? Yes, these are called the coat. Okay, these coats are worn by the soldiers, the knights, those who go for fight, those who are warriors. They wear this so that if people put spear on them or lash on them, or even if they hit them or stone them, it will not hurt them, because it will first hurt this iron coat. It is made out of iron. It is a metal coat, that is called coat of mail. I will mount my noble steed. So he says that now I will put my coat, the metal coat, and then I will mount my noble steed. Mount means climb. Mount means climb. I will climb my noble. Noble is a kind or good. Steed is a horse. I will climb my good horse, noble. Then I will ride out into the world to seek adventures. I will go to the world and find out many adventures. Seek is to find, and I will find many adventures. See, now when you sit in one place, can you see anything? Can you get anything? No, you will not. But when you go on moving from one place to another, you will find people, different people. You will find different places. You will find different things. And whenever you go to different places or different person, things happen differently. So, isn't it? Every time the same thing will not happen to you. At some place you may be happy, some place you may be sad, some place you will enjoy, some place you will not like. Every place we will find some different things, and these are the adventures. So he says that when I'll go into the world, all over the world, riding on my horse with my coat, with my coat of mail, I will find many different adventures. For example, now if you have to go to any place in north, that would be a great adventure for you. Right? First of all, you won't know the language. Second of all, you don't know the places. Third, you don't know how to act over there with their culture, isn't it? So all these things are great things which we'll have to find out. We have to see first. We have to find out, and then we will get into it. So these kind of things. So he was very much happy. He decided that I am going to become a knight, and I am going to get my own coat of mail, and I am going to ride on my horse. Have you, children, any time decided anything? Have you made any decisions for your own self? If yes, good. And if no, start doing your own decisions. Try to make your own decisions and be independent. And if you have made decisions on your own, have you been stable on it? Have you been firm on it? Like this Kihana he had made his mind firm. He has made his mind full of that thought that I am going to be knight, I am going to be knight, and nothing else. You know what happens sometimes? If a cake and an ice cream is in front of us, what will you select first? Cake. No, ice cream. No, I'll go for cake only. I want cake and ice cream both. I want both. See, if this is the thing, that means we are not a firm decision maker. But, okay, I don't want cake, I want only ice cream, and you're firm in that and you have that, you are a good decision maker. And if you make a firm and good decision for yourself, that means we can gain many things. We can win this world. We can win this world. So, are you all ready to make a firm decision for yourself in your life? See, he decided, he knows that what qualities he has. He has a different quality, and if he will become a knight and go all over the world, he can, when if he find any people sad, he can make them happy. If he finds any people happy, he can make them distressed, sad. He has all different talents, so he can do that. So we should know what we are capable for, about what we are capable of. Okay? உன் திறமையை நீ தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு நீ சரியான முடிவு எடுக்கணும். You should know your capability and take a firm decision. So, now children, let's see what happens next to Kihana. No danger shall frighten me. With my strong arm, I will go forth to protect the weak and to befriend the friendless. Yes, I will be a knight, and I will fight against error wherever I find it. And now Kihana says, I will be not afraid of any danger. எந்த ஒரு ஆபத்து வந்தாலும் நான் என்ன செய்ய மாட்டேன், பயப்பட மாட்டேன். With my strong arm, I will go forth to protect the weak and to befriend the friendless. Okay, strong arm. What do you mean by strong arms? You know where is your arms? Where is your arms, children? Yes, your arms are above your hand, isn't it? Attached with your shoulder. Now, the arms are very strong. He says, see, he is more than 50 years old, and he says that my arms are still very strong. I will go forth to protect the weak. So he says, my arms are strong. I will go and protect the weak. That means what? இன்னும் பலன் என்கிட்ட இருக்குது. நான் போய் சண்டை போட்டு பலவீனமான மக்களுக்கு என்ன செய்வேன், உதவி பண்ணுவேன், காப்பாற்றுவேன், பலவீனமாக இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு காப்பாற்றுவேன். And to befriend the friendless. ஃப்ரெண்ட் இல்லாதவங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருப்பேன். யார் யாருக்கெல்லாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இல்லையோ அவங்களுக்குலாம் நான் யாராக இருப்பேன், ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருப்பேன். ஸோ he will have many friends all over the world. Wherever he go, all the places over there, he will have friends for himself. Now, do we do like that? How many of you protect other people, those who are weak? Now we don't eat properly at home. We only eat everything that we snacks items that we get, all junk foods that we get from the shop. It may be kurkure, it may be unwanted 2 rupees, 1 rupee chocolates, even if it is 5 or 10 rupees, they are not necessary for us. All juice and all, no. So all these things harms our health. So to have a strong body, you have to consume or eat a healthy food. You have to eat healthy food. Only then we will be strong. And when we are strong, we can go and protect the weak. So how many of you protect weak people on the way or in your neighborhood or even maybe your friends? So we have to learn that, see, even though he is more than 50 years old, he is saying my strong arm. கிழவன் ஆனாலும் என்ன சொல்றாரு, எனக்கு பலன் இருக்கு, நான் பலவீனங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்வேன். நம்மளுக்கு அந்த மனப்பான்மை இருக்கா? Do we have that helping mind? One must have an helping mind. Even though you are not able to do it, you must do it. You must try to do it. நம்மளால முடியாட்டாலும் செய்யறதுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும், முயற்சி பண்ணணும். ஏதாவது ஒரு வழியில். You may not go and fight, but you may ask anyone else to come and help, isn't it? See, he wants to be friend to those who are lonely, those who don't have friends. ஏன்னா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா அவங்க எப்படி இருப்பாங்க? தனிமையாக இருப்பாங்க, துக்கமாக இருப்பாங்க, கவலையோடு இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இஃப் யூ பிகம் தியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட் தே வில் பி ஹாப்பி. ஸோ யூ மஸ்ட் டூ சம்திங் குட். அண்ட் தென் எஸ், I will be a knight and I will fight against error. He says, I will be a knight and I will fight against error. Why he has become a knight? Because he want to fight against the error. Now what is the error? Error is something which is injustice or social injustice. Okay? Injustice na நியாயம் இல்லாத காரியங்கள், சமுதாயத்தில் நியாயம் இல்லாத காரியங்கள், that is error. So he want to fight against them. சமுதாயத்தில் நியாயம் இல்லாத காரியங்கள் எங்கெல்லாம் நடக்குதோ அதுக்கு எதிராக போராடணும். அதுக்கு எதிராக போராடுறதுக்காக what he want to be, he wants to be a knight wherever I find it. எந்த தேசத்தையும் எந்த முக்கு மூலையில எங்கே எனக்கு சமுதாயத்தில் அநியாயம் தெரியுதோ அங்கே நான் என்ன செய்வேன்? போராடுவேன். I will fight against it. And that is why I want to be a knight. And that is why I want to be a knight. Okay? So, children, very good. See, this old man who is more than 50 years old teaches us a very good lesson. He says, even though உன்னிடத்தில் முடியாட்டாலும், உன் வயது சென்றாலும், நீ பலவீனமாக இருந்தாலும், உன்னால் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு நீ என்ன செய்யணும்? பலவீனங்களுக்கு உதவி பண்ணணும். தனிமையாக இருக்கவங்களுக்கு துணையாக ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருக்கணும். அநியாயத்தை எதிர்த்து நிற்கணும். How many of us do that? Your friend would not do any mistake, but பாவம், he would be getting punishment. That is அநியாயம், that is injustice. Okay? So there you have to go and say, no, he did not do. But what you will do? நான் போய் சொன்னேன்னா எனக்குலாம் அடி விழும், நான் போய் சொன்னேன்னா என் தம்பிக்கெல்லாம் அடி விழும், நான் போய் சொன்னேன்னா என்னுடைய இன்னொரு ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கெல்லாம் அடி விழும். No, my dear children, here we don't have friend and enemy. There is no one who is enemy to us. நம்மளுக்கு விரோதி யாருமே இல்லை, எதிரி யாருமே இல்லை. All are our friends. மனிதனாக பிறந்திருக்கிற அத்தனை பேரும் நம்மளுக்கு யார் தான்? ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான். Because they also breathe like us, they also eat like us, they also have feelings like us. உனக்கு எப்படி உணர்வு இருக்கோ அப்படிதான் மற்றவங்களுக்கும் இருக்கு. உன்னே யாரும் ஏசக்கூடாதுன்னு நீ நினைக்கும் போது அவங்களுக்கும் அப்படிதானே இருக்கும். நீ அழக்கூடாது சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கும் போது மற்றவங்களுக்கும் அப்படிதானே இருக்கும். So we must think that never be a person who hurts others. அடுத்தவங்களை புண்படுத்துகிற மனிதராக நம்ம இருக்கவே கூடாது. நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு நேரமும் பேசும்போது, ஒரு காரியம் செய்யும் போதோ, யாரை குறித்து சொல்லும்போது ரொம்ப யோசிக்கணும். என்ன பேசுகிறோம், என்ன செய்கிறோம், என்ன சொல்கிறோம், நாளைக்கு இது நம்மகிட்ட யாரும் செஞ்சாங்கன்னா அது எப்படி இருக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு. we have to think that and then we have to act accordingly. அதை யோசித்து நம்ம செயல்படணும். we have to act accordingly, செயல்படணும். புரியுதா? ஸோ இந்த 50 வயசுக்கு மேலே உள்ள வயதானவருக்கே இந்த ஒரு ஆர்வம்னா, நம்மளாம் இப்போ சிறு பிள்ளைகள். நம்ம நினச்சா எதிர்காலமே நம்ம கையில் இருக்குது. அப்போ நம்ம எவ்வளோ அழகாக இந்த உலகத்தை மாற்றலாம். isn't it? யார்கிட்டையும் சண்டை போடாமல், யார்கிட்டையும் கோபப்படாமல், யாருக்கும் தப்பு செய்யாமல், பொய் பேசாமல், எல்லார்ட்டையும் அன்பாக இருந்து. எஸ், சில காரியங்கள் we won't like certain habits of other people. அடுத்தவங்களுடைய ஒரு சில குணங்கள், ஹேபிட்ஸ், பழக்கம் நமக்கு பிடிக்காது. இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் லைக், லீவ் இட். பிடிக்கலையா அதை விட்டுரு. யூ ஜஸ்ட் லீவ் இட். பட் அதுக்காக யூ டோன்ட் ஃபைட் வித் தெம். அதுக்காக யூ டோன்ட் யூனோ என்ன சொல்லுது, சின்ன பிள்ளை நீங்கள் என்ன செய்வீங்க, அலங்காட்டுவீங்க, டாண்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க. டாண்ட் மீன்ஸ் என்ன, அவங்கள குத்தி பேசுவீங்க, அவங்கள ஜாடையில் பேசுவீங்க. Don't do all these things. Don't do. If today you do these things with your friends and your brothers and sisters, tomorrow in your family life it will affect you people, isn't it? So it is best we don't do all these things. Okay? That is a bad habit. That will not make you a good person. அது உங்களை ஒரு நல்ல மனிதனாக மாத்தாது. So be friend to everyone, help everyone, and tried to avoid and fight against all the injustice that happens around you. So he began at once to get ready for his great understanding. From his store he fished out some rusty armor, a broken helmet, and a crooked lance, and now he started thinking. He thought that if he could only find as good a name for himself, he would feel like riding out and beginning his adventures at once. For what more could he need? So, here, Kihana began to get ready for his great understanding. That means what? அவர் என்ன புரிஞ்சாரா? அவர் நைட்டாக தான் மாறணும்ட்டு புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டார். அதை டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டாரா? ஓகே, நவ் ஹீ இஸ் கெட்டிங் ரெடி ஃபார் தட். He is getting ready to become a knight, and for that what he had to do, he had to go to his storeroom. Now what is a storeroom? From his store. A storeroom is a place where you keep all unwanted things or the things which you may use very rarely. தேவையில்லாத பொருட்கள் இல்லை எப்போவாது தான் தேவைப்படும் அப்படிப்பட்ட பொருட்கள் வைக்கிற ஒரு இடத்துக்கு பேர் தான் ஸ்டோர் ரூம். ஓகே, so he went there and he fished out. What is the meaning of fished out? Fished out means searching, தேடுறது. Okay, and he started to find out, search. He started to search, that is fished, and he fished out some rusty armor. அவர் என்ன செஞ்சார்? தேடி பிடிச்சார். என்ன தேடி பிடிச்சாரு? ரஸ்டி. ரஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ், கேன் யூ see the picture over here, all with red color? What is that? இரும்புல துரு பிடித்து போய் இருக்குது. அந்த துரு தான் என்னது? ரஸ்ட். ரஸ்டி. Okay, now do you understand? Okay, now some rusty armor. What is armor? ஆயுதங்கள். Armor, ஆயுதங்கள். So this metal coat is a armor. It is a armor. A broken helmet. உடைந்த helmet, and a crooked lance, and also a crooked lance. What is a lance? Lance is a kind of spear. Do you know spear? Ambula, wall. No. E.T. What is spear? Spear is E.T. This lance is more bigger than E.T. More bigger than spear. E.T. விட பயங்கர நீளமா இருக்கும். That is called a lance. Okay. And now he started thinking. So what all did he find from the storeroom? He found a rusty armor, a broken helmet, and a crooked lance. Now how was the lance? Crooked. Crooked என்னது? வளைந்து போனது. வளைஞ்ச E.T. Okay, வளைஞ்ச E.T. How was the helmet? Helmet was broken. உடைந்த helmet. Okay, now next, he thought that if he could only find as good a name for himself. Now he got the armor. Armor. ஆயுதங்கள் உடையெல்லாம் கிடைச்சாச்சு. Now what next to become a knight? Now he needs a name, and just not a name but a very good name. Now for example, my name is Roslyn. Okay, now my name is Roslyn, but if I am going to start an English speaking class, what will I do? Will I call it as Roslyn English speaking class? Will I call it like that? No, we will think of something good which may be very nice, which will attract people, isn't it? How we will think? Rose English speaking class, or Rosie English speaking class, or what will you think? Something different and fascinate. Come on, let's think. Come on, tell me, some of you tell me, what is it? What will you think? English speaking class as a rose, something different we will think, isn't it? So like that, he wanted to have a different kind of name, a name which will make him a special person, which will make him a special one. So he started to think for a good name, and he would feel like riding out and beginning his adventures at once. And he would feel like so once the name should be that beautiful that after deciding the name, he should just take a horse, ride on it, and just start his adventure immediately. He was so hurrying. உடனே டக்கு டக்குன்னு இப்போ தான் கிடைச்சிட்டேன், என்ன பேரை சொல்லு, என்னது குதிரையில் ஏறு கிளம்பு அப்படிங்கிற அவசரத்தில் he was there. Now for what more could he need? And what more does he need? இதுக்கு மேலே வேற என்ன வேணும்? Only this much. Okay, so now my children, when you begin something new, you are also very happy. New book. Now I want new covers, I want new label, sticker, I want new bag, new bottle. Everything should be new, something different than last year. When I studied in 4th standard, I had a bag with blue color. Now I want some other color. I want good pictures. Now I want different compass box. Now I want different water bottle. It should not be same, we think, isn't it? So he was so fascinated. He wanted to have everything new and wonderful and start his new life. Are we all ready to start a new life, children? Are you all ready to stop all the bad things that you were doing till now? Are you all ready to start a new life by obeying your elders, by respecting your elders, by stopping to get angry, by stopping to ignore others, by starting to help the weak, by starting to be kind and loving to everyone? Can we do this? Start a new life. As you have entered into a new age, I know almost all of you would have entered your 10 years old. Some of you would be entering in 10 years old, isn't it? So, as you are entering to your new years and entered to a new year, children, take a decision. And a decision should be firm, உறுதியான முடிவு. That from now onwards, till now I was a child, I was a baby, I did not know what to do. But now I am grown up. இப்போ நான் வளர்ந்துட்டேன். So I will not hurt others. அடுத்தவங்களை புண்படுத்த மாட்டேன். I will not get angry. கோபப்பட மாட்டேன். I will not fight unnecessarily. தேவையில்லாமல் சண்டை போட மாட்டேன். Fight means fight பண்ணே கூடாது. Actually fight, you must not fight at all. I will help the weak. I will be friend to everyone. Let us decide and become a good person. Okay, children? Very good. Now, the next one is you are going to take your classwork and homework note. Now, here is the correction of your previous homework, children. So, take out your homework note. Just do the correction. Put yes, right. If it is wrong, put wrong. And if it is wrong, write the correct answer by the side. பக்கத்தில் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் எழுதுங்க. முதல் ரைட்னா ரைட்டு போடுங்க, தப்புனா தப்பு போட்டுட்டு தப்பான ஆன்சருக்கு பக்கத்தில் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். ஓகே. An old-fashioned man lived in Spain. Answer for the first blank is Spain. S-P-A-I-N, Spain. The second one, odd. O-double-D, odd. O-double-D, odd. The third one, amused. A-M-U-S-E-D, amused. A-M-U-S-E-D, amused. And distressed. D-I-S-T-R-E-S-S-E-D, distressed. D-I-S-T-R-E-S-S-E-D, distressed. The fourth one is outside, O-U-T, out, S-I-D-E, outside. O-U-T, out, S-I-D-E, outside. One more blank is given, which answer is village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. The fifth one, the good Mr. Kehana. The good Mr. Kehana. Spelling of Kehana, Q-U-I-X-A-N-A. Q-U-I-X-A-N-A. The sixth one, gentle. G-E-N-T-L-E, gentle. G-E-N-T-L-E, gentle. Kind. K-I-N-D, kind. K-I-N-D, kind. And the third, brave. B-R-A-V-E, brave. B-R-A-V-E, brave. The last blank answer, the seventh one is more than 50. M-O-R-E, more. T-H-A-N, than. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. M-O-R-E, more. T-H-A-N, than. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. More than 50. Okay. Now, take out your classwork. Now in your classwork, my dear children, we are going to write the second one, that is the answer the following questions. You have to learn the homework fill in the blanks also. Now, classwork. Answer the following questions. So, the first one. Why was Kehana famous all over the world? Why was Kehana famous all over the world? I repeat the spelling of Kehana, Q-U-I-X-A-N-A. Q-U-I-X-A-N-A. Why was Kehana famous all over the world? Now the answer. Can you see how I have written ANS answer? So number one, question number one, inside the margin. ANS answer inside the margin. Okay, without writing that, you are not writing your answers. Write the answer now. Kehana, Q-U-I-X-A-N-A. Kehana had, H-A-D, had many, M-A-N-Y, many, odd, O-D-D, odd, ways, W-A-Y-S, ways. I repeat, Kehana had many odd ways. And did, D-I-D, did, and did, strange, S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange, S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange, things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, T-H-I-N-G-S, NGS things. Hence, HENCE, hence. After hence, put a comma. After hence, put a comma. He was famous all over the world. He was famous all over the world. Full stop. Now copy the second question. What was the result? RESULT, result. What was the result? RESULT, result of Kehana's strange things. QUIXANA apostrophe S, Kehana. QUIXANA apostrophe S, Kehana's strange things, question mark. The answer is, the result of Kehana's strange things were, come on quickly, the result, your writing has to be neat, children. You have to write neatly but fast. The result of Kehana's strange things were that he amused, 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 amused his neighbors. If you keep your books open, you can find out the answers, I mean the spellings, and write it quickly. I think these answers are from page number, from the first page of the lesson. What is the page number of the first page of the lesson? Page number, just find it out and remove the first page of the lesson. Okay, I think page number 11, I think so. Amused his neighbors, NEIGHBOURS, and distressed, 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 distressed his friends, 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 and made himself famous. And made himself famous. Okay. Now, I would like to explain you the meaning of this question. Okay. The first question is, why was Kehana famous all over the world? Nalla புரிஞ்சி படிச்சிக்க. Kehana உலகமெங்கும் எதற்கு சிறப்பானவர் இல்லனா ஃபேமஸ் ஆனாரு, அறியப்பட்டார். ஓகே. Kehana had many odd ways. அவர்ட்ட அநேக வித்தியாசமான வழிகள் இருந்தது. And did strange things, அதிசயமான காரியங்களும் செஞ்சார். Hence, ஆகையால், அவர் பிரபலமானார். ஃபேமஸ், பிரபலம், ஆகையால் அவர் உலகமெங்கும் பிரபலமானார். ஓகே. Now the second one, what was the result of Kehana's strange things? அவர் செஞ்ச அதிசயமான காரியங்களுக்குரிய விளைவு என்ன? So the result of Kehana's strange things were that he amused his neighbors and distressed his friends. பக்கத்துல இருக்கவங்கள என்ன செஞ்சாராம்? மகிழ வைத்தாரு. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் மார்களை அழ வைத்தாரு. டிஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ட், அழ வைக்கிறது, அழ வைத்தாரு. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம அவர் என்ன செஞ்சாரு? அதால அவருடைய அதிசயமான காரியங்களால அவர் என்ன செஞ்சாரு? அழ வச்சாரு, மகிழ வைத்தாரு, ஃபேமஸும் ஆனாரு, பிரபலமும் ஆனார். Okay, this is the meaning of this first two question answers. Now the third one, describe Mr. Kehana. Describe Mr. Kehana. Here I have printed the wrong spelling. Instead of O you have to write A. Quixo. I have written, but it is not O, it is A. Describe Mr. Kihana. Answer is Mr. Kihana was odd in his appearance. Describe means what? Varnikkirathu. Describe means varnikkirathu. Varnikkirathu, describe means avangala patti vivarangal sollanum. Avangala patti vivarangalai sollanum. Okay, so how was he? He was odd in appearance. What is the meaning of appearance? Appearance means தோற்றம். அவர் பார்க்கறதுக்கு எப்படி இருந்தாரா? ஆடா இருந்தாராம். அவருடைய தோற்றம் எப்படி இருந்தது? ஆடா இருந்தது. ஓகே, தோற்றம். appearance, APPEARANCE, appearance. And dress, போடுற துணிகளும் வித்தியாசமா தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, DRESS, dress, comma, he was more than 50 years of age, comma, more than 50 years of age, comma. He was quiet, QUITE, quiet. He was quiet, QUITE, quiet. Tall and slender. Tall and slender, 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 slender. He was quite tall and slender, and his face was thin, and his face was thin, comma, nose was long, nose was long, and hair was HAIR, and hair was turning, 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 turning. Grey, 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 full stop. Now the fourth question. What was Kihana's hobby? HOBBY, hobby. And how did he spend his time? Spend his time. What was Kihana's hobby and how did he spend his time? Now answer. Kihana, QUIXANA, Kihana did not, DID, write as I spell, come on, NOT, not. Kihana did not work much, WORK, MUCH, work much, full stop. Capital HIS, 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 hobby, 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 was, 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 reading, 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 books, 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 apostrophe comma. What is apostrophe comma? He spent He, S-P-E-N-T, spent. He spent almost, A-L-M-O-S-T, almost, O-F, of, H-I-S, his. He spent almost of his time, T-I-M-E, time, I-N, in reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. He spent almost of his time in reading in his library, L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library, L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library, or under the, or under, U-N-D-E-R, under, U-N-D-E-R, under the apple trees, A-P-P-L-E, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, T-R-E-E-S, trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees, full stop. Now the next question, question number 5. What, W-H-A-T, what kind, K-I-N-D, kind, what kind of books B-O-O-K-S, books did Kehana liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked, to read, R-E-A-D, read, R-E-A-D, read, question mark. Now, answers. Kehana liked to read stories. Copy, come quickly copy on from the questions. Kehana liked to read stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Of nights, K-N-I-G-H-T-S, K-N-I-G-H-T-S, nights, of nights. And their, T-H-E-I-R, their, and their, T-H-E-I-R, their. Daring, D-A-R-I-N-G, daring, D-A-R-I-N-G, daring. Deeds, D-E-E-D-S, deeds, full stop, D-E-E-D-S, deeds, full stop. Now the sixth and the last one. What was Kehana's wish to be? What was Kehana's wish to be? B-E-B, question mark. The answer is Kehana wished, W-I-S-H-E-D, wished, W-I-S-H-E-D, wished. Kehana wished to be a knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, knight. Kehana wished to be a knight. Rather, R-A-T-H-E-R, rather, R-A-T-H-E-R, rather. Than being, T-H-A-N, than, T-H-A-N, than, B-E-I-N-G, being, B-E-I-N-G, being. Just a farmer, just a farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer, full stop. Capital H, he wanted to protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect, The weak, W-E-A-K, weak, W-E-A-K, weak, the weak. And to befriend, and to befriend with the friendless, F-R-I-E-N-D-L-E-S-S, friendless, F-R-I-E-N-D-L-E-S-S, friendless. And fight, and fight, and fight against the, A-G-A-I-N-S-T, against, A-G-A-I-N-S-T, against the error, E-R-R-O-R, error, E-R-R-O-R, error. Okay, children. Now let's take a homework note. Now, for your homework, you're going to take your book to page number 15. All of you take your book and turn your book to page number 15. Can you see there question number 2? Choose the right answer. Can you see? Choose the right answer. Now come on, what you're going to do is, you're going to do question number A, B and C. Question number A, B and C. That is your homework for today. Okay? Okay, children. Come on, be a good children and do your classwork and your homework and study every day's classwork. You have to study every day's homework. You have to study both your classwork and homework. Okay, all the best. Bye, see you tomorrow.